What number did you have it set on for me?
20.
Oh, I guess you had a 15 right now.
Oh. Whoops.
Yeah. Want me to turn it up to 20?
Sure. Is that 20?
This is 20.
Okay. Do you use this on many people?
Like 5%.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, would this be charged as a therapy or no?
Yeah.
It would?
Yeah, if I have to do anything more than adjust and do some electric stim. Yeah.
You don't think more people would want this?
Not maybe they'd want it, but I don't know if they'd want to pay extra.
Oh. Yeah, that's true.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Because they get used to like what they're paying, and then it's
like,
I've always had people want to go down in price, not up.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Trying to get a feel the.
Oh, the spine one?
The spinal.
Maybe I shouldn't have gone all the way up to 20 with you. Don't full bore blast me.
You don't want 20?
I'm kind of scared.
You'll be alright.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, that's not that bad. I can't feel it in my brain. Now I can. Oh, now I can. Oh, that's kind of nice though. On the CT. That's not bad. Yeah, it's kind of nice. It's at 20?
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels good.
I did not like it.
You didn't like it?
No.
Oh! Oh my god! Okay!
My face is sweaty.
Okay!
I thought my brain cell was gonna fall off.
Do you feel like you can get most people's thoracics to move?
Mm-hmm. Like when I do interiors?
Yeah, because I guess you don't really do it from the...
No, I don't really like it this way.
Yeah. Nice.
Kinda go or no?
I'm not sure.
It kind of bounced off, yeah.
Oh, that's what I hate too. I feel like some people just bounce off them.
Like these red marks, like.
Yeah. Dang, you've gotten good at those.
Alright, let's get you on your side.
Oh, nice. Nice.
There we go.
My crotch is like sweating right now. So much.
I double booked 2 people today because I'm pretty sure like one guy he's canceled like.
Oh, he's not gonna show up.
He's always canceled like he just comes in once a month and he's
Yeah.
canceled like the last 2 or 3 months.
Some people, I feel like that drive me nuts because it's like, I'm actually not gonna schedule.
Well, if he cancels today, I'm just gonna be like, look, I can't reschedule you
Yeah.
unless you want to pay in advance. Cause
Oh, because he doesn't pay in advance. It's just when he comes in.
yeah. There we go. Getting both legs up. Cross your arms.
You got it.
And there was no noise. One more time. Actually, we'll go like this.
Have you been doing the oxbow ones or not?
No.
I know. Me
Did that really go on you?
Yeah, it was just so small.
Oh, man. Does it feel like it? It doesn't.
No, it doesn't. I don't know.
Stay there. Perfect.
Oh, three freaking more. Ooh, that's a little. Yeah, there you go. Whoa.
Alright, kiddo. Let's do your shoulders.